Dzień dobry Państwu. Jestem Kazimierz z Wieruszowa. Witam serdecznie wszystkich z Wieruszowa, moich przyjaciół, moich znajomych, zainteresowanych, a szczególnie witam czytelników Ilustrowanego Tygodnika Powiatowego. Dzisiaj mam dla Państwa niespodziankę. Jest tutaj ze mną, spotkałem się z panem Setem Collinsem, który robi wspaniałą działalność i zdobył wielką popularność w roku ubiegłym w Stanach Zjednoczonych. Czym się zajmuje, to Państwu opowie. I met today Seth Collins, who made in United States a special activity and made a big popularity in the United States. Can you say about your activity?
Sure. Yeah, my little brother last year, actually a year and a half ago now, he passed away, and he really cared a lot for servers, for waiters and waitresses at restaurants, and so he asked that we surprise a waiter or waitress with a generous tip of $500 because waiters and waitresses here do not get paid very much. And I recorded that, and people all around the world saw it, and it made them so happy that they wanted to see me continue to do that. So now I've left 93 waiters and waitresses $500 tips, and I record the reactions so that I can share them with the world, so that not just the waiter or waitress is happy, but so that everyone watching can be happy also.
Yes, said 93 meetings. It is very good achievement. I saw a few videos. I admire your work, your videos, and I am your fan. Reaction when you give this $500 to waitress or waiter is very interesting, amazing, and awesome. The people laughing, smiling, are very surprised, not believe, emotion, big emotion, and it is very interesting, very amazing and awesome activity. I wish you good luck in your activity, good luck for you, and good luck for family, and I wish you a continuation this activity, because this activity bring happiness, bring honey on heart, improve human relation between people, and bring many good for people. I wish you good luck, Happy New Year. Can you say something for citizens of Wieruszów?
Sure. Yeah, I'm happy to be here and talking to you, and happy to meet the people of Poland and Wieruszów, and Happy New Year to everyone who's watching, and I hope that you're all inspired to be generous as well.
Thank you, Seth, very much.